my channel.
And it goes a little something like
Welcome back to my vlog. Just made a sandwich as you saw. It's good. Made these chows of watermelon and blueberries. Just that, and look, it's so yum. Cheers. Nice. I'll see you guys after my breaking. With the dusting, and मैंने वो सब का नहीं किया. I've done other rooms as well. Okay, so it was a little dusting day for me today. But yeah, I'm happy now it's done and it's all sorted. Now it's time for a little skincare and makeup sesh. A little skincare and makeup because today I need to make reels. It's been days I haven't made any reels, which I really need to. तो बस वही करेंगे. आज वेदर भी अच्छा है, लाइक आज बारिश नहीं हो रही अभी तो, और धूप भी निकली हुई अभी. सो देयर इज गुड लाइटिंग. सो लाइटिंग इज गुड, सो वी शुड टेक दिस टाइम. सो वी शुड नॉट वेस्ट दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी. सोचो थोड़ा बाहर जाओ, बट दैट्स नॉट, I don't know if I'll go or not. Yeah, my nails, I showed you in the last. My nails, they're still there and they look so good. My sister is not here, my parents are not here right now because they all went to Bangalore. Parents have gone there to drop her. She is there for her masters. That's why only me and my brother is here. Jo bhi chala jayega London. I think in some days he will also leave for London. So only I'll be here left. I'll see you after looking better. It feels really good after doing makeup. I just feel more productive. Sorted my outfits for my first reel. Let me show you. This is the jewelry box. It's a nice jewelry box. थोड़ा messed up हो गया ये भी, but yeah, I have organized my jewelry like rings, smaller hoops, bigger hoops, and here are like pendants. And my watch, more pendants and other pendants that I'm gonna wear. Okay, so this is the outfit. My cargos, I bought this one from H&M, and this is a top. It's a halter top, again from H&M. Okay, this is my first outfit for the reel. So let's get started. Also, my tripod is a little broken, so like I have to fix a lot while I'm filming. तो इसलिए मुझे थोड़ा टाइम लग जाता है. I have to get a new tripod, new phone stand, a lot of stuff. So see how will I manage. Hopefully I can manage it and make some good reels. Let's see. And this is my look for the first reel. How cool is this fit, guys? I love this fit. It's everything H&M. Bag is from Steve Madden. So I love street style, and it's a street style outfit. I love how cool is this looking. Okay, मैंने पूरा 1 घंटा लगा दिया इस रील बनाने में. I want to take only half an hour. बहुत time waste हो गया है. So let's quickly decide second outfit. We have wasted a lot of time. Let's go. This is my second look, guys. I just changed my lip color. I'm wearing this very pretty top. And I totally forgot to film this outfit. मैंने अपने shoes निकाल दिए, which were the new Jordans. So matching the new orange Jordans with this top. And I took this orange bag. So yeah, it was a pretty cool outfit. So I did for the second reel. I didn't have my lunch, so much energy नहीं है कुछ और film करने की. I'm that person जो नहीं खाते हैं जब रोज ना खाए, if I skip a meal and I stay hungry for a really long time, I'm not able to work. मुझसे काम नहीं होता है. एंड मैंने दोरी बना ली है. मुझे बहुत टाइम लगे दोरी बनाने में. I had no idea why, but now I'm very hungry. So I'm gonna order something from out. Yeah, let's see. But I have to eat something. Plus, I have to edit a YouTube video also. So I need to get that on OG. I need to eat. And also, guys, if you don't follow me on Instagram, go follow me, guys. I'm really making some good content there. I'm making some really great reels. So go do check it out, my Instagram. The handle will be in the description box below, so go check it out, and do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Just made some pancakes and they are ready. Pancakes are ready. I'm gonna put some Nutella on it. I love it. I love pancakes. A happy face after having pancakes. Look at my face. Just came out. The weather is really nice right now. That's it for the vlog, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this mini vlog. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. And if you did, do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you can never miss out on any of my videos. And do like this video, share and subscribe, guys. And comment down below. Let me know you watched my video. How did you felt? And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye.